Here the little baby birdies, so we about to go check out the baby chicks up here in Tractor Supply. You know. You know. We have real farm animals, real farm animals. That's what they say in their videos would be a Tractor Supply store doing this right here. That's crazy, right? I'm making this video because I seen somebody in a video uh, say they have real farm animals, but they was in Tractor Supply doing this right here. They weren't even at their own house. They was at Tractor Supply doing this right here. The same thing I'm doing right here, just showing somebody else's bird. These are Tractor Supply birds. But we have real farm animals. They're pretty though. Look at it. I might get into birds though. Start collecting, little hens. Get me a chicken coop.
Huh? Maybe I noticed they asked mine to come and
Golden comet. Golden comets. So I might do my research, man, and start raising chicks. Give me a chicken coop. Have my own birds. Who knows? To be continued. But yeah, somebody was in a video like we have farm animals and they won't doing nothing no different than what I'm doing right now, which is recording baby chicks at Tractor Supply store. Anybody could come do this. You been picking up